protic solvents, then aprotic solvents. Now the third one is acid solvent. Solvents which have strong tendency to give proton. Now you know what is proton, that is H plus. These are the solvents which have strong tendency to give proton are called acid solvents. For example, acetic acid, that is CH3COOH. It is ionized into CH3COO negative plus H plus. So, what is acid solvent? Acid solvents are those solvents which have strong tendency to give out protons are known as acid solvents. Another example is HF. It is also a source to give H plus ions. Another one is basic solvents. Solvents which have strong affinity towards the proton, which have a capacity to accept the proton. Solvents which have strong attraction, strong affinity for protons are termed as basic solvents. The example is pyridine. Third one is amphiprotic. We know the word amphi. Amphi means nor or neither, that is, it do not behave like acid nor basic. Amphiprotic solvent possesses acidic as well as basic properties. It can accept proton or it can give the proton. For example, phosphoric acid is the best example which can give proton or which can accept the proton. So, today we have completed about the discussion of solvents. Then water act as an universal solvent. Then we had discussed about the classification of solvents. That is, it is classified into protic solvents, aprotic solvents, acid solvents, basic solvents and amphiprotic solvents. Now, next one is polar solvents and non-polar solvents. Now think about the polar and non-polar.